Hello world. So, we're looking out the window again, checking on the bird. It's been very interesting. So right now I'm not sure if you can tell, but there's a bird inside the bird nest. Okay. Can you tell? There's a bird. There's a bird inside the bird nest. Can you tell? Okay. So, I've been watching and apparently earlier it seems like the mother and the father, both of them were there, now only one of them. Now, on this tree, there are many different types of birds coming and flying away and whatnot, right? So earlier, for some reason, I don't understand. I never watched birds, but either one of them or both of the parents carry away two eggs. So I'm not sure, are those like empty eggs, just the eggshells that they were carrying away, or I don't know why they um, carried the eggs away or whatnot. I don't know. But when they got back, I didn't see the egg thing, so I'm not sure what's happening. But anyway, so both of them were away, and if you can see, there's another bird here. Both of them were away, so two other different types of bird came. So I'm like, oh no, you gotta come back and guard your house. Um, yeah. So if you look down there, there's a bird down there. Where did it go? They're very fast at walking and stuff. They don't really stay. Can you see? There's something just moved. There's a bird. So yeah, it flew away. So I'm like, oh no, you gotta go back and guard your bird nest. So they did. One of them did. She came back. The other one, she got like pretty much right by the nest, almost. So right now, either the mother or the father is guarding the nest. Can you tell? She's like in there, not going anywhere, which is what you should do. You gotta take care of your house. If there's an intruder, you gotta come back quickly and take care of your house, take care of your babies or what. I don't think there's a baby inside, but there could be. I'm not very sure because I cannot see very well. Um, but yeah, there you go. There's either a mommy or a daddy. I think that's a mommy. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And Toaster has been watching too, but I think he's kind of scared or whatever. He hasn't really sit on the stand, but he's right here. He's been watching too. Just so he has been watching, but he's watching from a distance like that. Not as up close, right here, like yesterday. I'm not sure he's scared or whatnot. Sometimes he would like put his foot over here, two of them. But then that's it, he doesn't really get up. Toaster, are you scared or what? Hmm? Are you scared of the birds? That's why you're not up here? You sure? Doesn't do anything to you though. Hmm? It doesn't do anything to Toaster though. Hmm? Look at you. Look at Toaster. He scares up the bird. Toaster, he scares up the bird. Of the mommy and the daddy birds. His Toaster, he's fully alert like that. That's why. That's how I know. Oh, okay. See that the bird coming? Right there, right there. Flew away. See this tree, it has a lot of birds. There isn't cardinals. Earlier there was a very beautiful cardinal over here. Red, orange, bright, kind of, and its fat too is big. It's big like this mother. I saw many times cardinal, but they're like small. Well, like the cardinal that I saw earlier, it was big. Mother, she stays put. I'm not sure if you can tell, but spring just came, right? So at the tip of each little branch stem is kind of red. Not sure if you can see like that. See the pink, 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 kind of pink, pink, red at each of the thing. It's really neat. I really like it. From the camera you cannot really see, but hopefully you can see. Oh, yeah, you can see. See the pink at the end, the thing coming out? It's very nice. You see the pink thing coming out? Yeah, so it's kind of cool to see things like that. See? Spring has sprung and I'm still stuck here. Cannot go anywhere because of Corona and many people not wanting to take the vaccine. Now Toaster, he wanna come out. Toaster, you wanna sit, come sit properly then. Toaster, come sit properly then. Toaster, come sit properly. Why you sit like that? Come sit properly by the window. Why you scared of the birds? Huh? They don't do anything to you. They can't even reach you.